All right, today you're going to be taking the energy test over potential and kinetic energy, which are TEKS 6.8a for Casper Zach. I know this is test number 4. We are going to go ahead and get started here. Number 1, which of these choices best describes the gravitational potential energy of an object? Is it A, the closer or the lower to the ground an object is, the greater the gravitational potential energy? Is it B, the farther away, the higher from the ground an object is, the greater gravitational energy? Is it C, the distance from the ground does not impact the gravitational potential energy? Or is it D, the gravitational potential energy increases if the object is sitting on the ground? Number 2, as the archer, the guy here, pulls back on the bow, there's an increase in what type of energy in the bow? Is it A, kinetic energy, B, potential energy, C, chemical energy, or D, electrical energy? Number 3, a ball rolls across the grass. Which of these statements best describes what happens to the energy of the ball after the ball stops rolling? Is it A, potential energy, the rolling ball, is converted to kinetic energy, the stopped ball? Is it B, potential and kinetic energy are equal when the ball stops rolling? Is it C, there is no potential energy after the ball stops rolling? Or is it D, kinetic energy, the rolling ball, is converted to potential energy, the stopped ball? Number 4, I'm going to zoom in here a little bit, help you guys see a little bit better. There we go. All right, number 4, what is the best observation about an apple falling from a tree to the ground? Is it A, the kinetic energy of the apple increases until the apple hits the ground? Is it B, the potential energy of the apple decreases as the apple gets closer to the ground? Is it C, the kinetic energy of the apple is highest when it is attached to a tree limb? Or is it D, the potential and kinetic energy are both the highest when the apple is on the ground? Number 5, looking at the pendulum here, the image, which number shows the highest kinetic energy? Is it A, 0.1? Is it B, 0.2? Is it C, 0.3? Or is it D, 0.5? So which point has the highest kinetic energy? We'll go ahead and flip over and we'll go to number 6. Study the features of this diagram, the slingshot. When the slingshot is held in position, as in the diagram, what kind of energy is present? Is it A, kinetic energy, B, chemical energy, C, electrical energy, or D, potential energy? Number 7, which of these is an example of the conversion of kinetic energy into gravitational potential energy? Is it A, a bicyclist coasting down a long hill? Is it B, a car engine moving the car forward? Is it C, a roller coaster car moving towards the top of a rise in tracks? Or is it D, a thrown ball falling toward the ground after being thrown into the air? Number 8, when a ball is thrown into the air, as in this image over here, it follows a curved path. At which point does the ball have the greatest amount of gravitational potential energy? Is it at point W, point X, point Y, or point Z, the highest amount of gravitational potential energy? All right, number 9. Using this image here on the right-hand side, at what point does the roller coaster start to convert potential energy into kinetic energy? Is it A, at point X? Is it B, at point Y? Is it C, at point Z? Or is it D, at point W? And number 10, based on kinetic energy, the roller coaster should be at its highest speed at which point? Is it point X? Is it option B, point Y? Is it option C, at point Z? Or is it option number D, at point W? At what point would the roller coaster be at its highest speed? All right, if you need to, go back and look over your answers. Hopefully this test was fairly easy. And good luck.